Sorry, I've just kind of grown accustomed.
But I get it fresh. Well, I mean, this is fresh, but
Not fresh.
the way I drink it, it doesn't.
Ooh, that's really strong. I can smell it from right here.
Really?
Yeah. We had.
I just picked that up. It's
You people are good
It's
people.
a pea baiter. Why is that?
Lots of coffee mate.
Why is this what you use?
I go through that like candy.
Yeah, me too. We're gonna get along just fine, aren't we, Sarah?
Oh yeah. I would hope so. I
Oh,
don't know.
Sarah, coffee?
Yeah, Sarah likes coffee. Okay, do you like large coffee cups or
Large.
regular size?
Oh, we have coffee cups that are like this big, even bigger.
I can let you use one of mine.
Oh yeah,
Or
they're
one-
this big. I like a lot of coffee.
I have one just like mine. Well, here, I'll give you this one because
It looks like a hot chocolate mug.
this is one I use a lot too. Now, do you put anything else in it besides coffee mate?
I put sugar. I like the
Okay, do you
taste
like
of
sugar
coffee.
or Splenda?
That's a good question. I don't care. I don't have a preference.
Do you like Splenda?
I do.
Okay. It's better for you than the sugar, so.
Whoa, those are awesome.